Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is again Teacher Rhea, and this time I am going to discuss about combination. So this is applicable also, or this particular topic is also applicable for binomial expansion using the concept of factorial notation. So when we say combination, it refers to the possible number of orders that we can create out from a particular choice. So this is a topic that has something to do with counting techniques and probability. So the number of combinations of n objects taken R at a time is represented by the equation Cn of R is equal to n factorial all over R factorial times the quantity of n minus R factorial, where of course n refers to the total number of choices and R is the number of choice that you only need. So for example, this one, how many ways can you select a committee of 4 students out of 10 students? So from this problem, we can say that, or in solving for this problem, first thing that we're going to do is try to identify the values of n and r. So n is the total number of students, which is 10, and r is the number of students that we are going to select, which is 4. Which means, using the equation for combination, this will be equal to, the combination of 10 taken 4 is equal to 10 factorial over 10 minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial. So observe, from the general equation, we substitute n with 10. So n also here, we substitute it with 10. R, we substitute it with 4. Next is simplifying this further. This expression now is equal to 10 factorial over 10 minus 4. That makes it 6 factorial times 4 factorial. Next is 10 factorial. We will try to expand this one until 6 factorial lang so that we can eliminate or cancel out 6 factorial. So this will be equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. So divide it with 6 factorial, 4 factorial. In this way, we can cancel out 6 factorial. So what remains now is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 over 4 factorial. If we are going to expand, that is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And if you are allowed, or you may use the calculator, so 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, that is equal to 5,040. Divide it with 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, that is 24. And 5,040 divided by 24, that is equal to 210. Which means the combination of 10 taken 4 is equal to 210. And by the way, during a part, we can do the simplifying before ka mo proceed sa multiplication. Pwede ra siya actually. Like, 4 times 2, that gives you 8. So, pwede nimo siya i-cancel. 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So, what remains is 10, 3, and 7. And 10 times 3 times 7, that will still give you 210. But if in case your teacher will allow you to use calculator, or if you are allowed to use calculator, you may not do that one. Pwede ra gyud ka mo diretso og multiply and then divide it. With the help of the calculator, you can still be able to get the value of the combination, which is equal to 210. Okay, so I hope you learned something from the video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Learn to Love Math with Teacher Rhea.